Hello friends, welcome to Nandu's cookbook. Today's recipe is the traditional recipe of Andhra Pradesh, that is Boorelu or Poornam Boorelu. This recipe is made during festivals and marriage occasions. So let's start the preparation. Here I have taken 250 grams of chana dal or Bengal gram. Wash it twice. Add 2 cups of water and soak it for 1 hour. After 1 hour, transfer it to pressure cooker and cook it till 6 whistles. Cook it in high flame. Once it's done, switch off the flame. Once the pressure goes, open the lid and drain the excess water and mash it well using masher. Now switch on the flame again. Add 250 grams of jaggery. For 250 grams of chana dal, I have taken 250 grams of jaggery. Switch on the flame and cook till jaggery melts. Now add 2 teaspoons of cardamom powder. Cook till the mixture thickens. Before you switch off the flame, add 1 tablespoon of ghee. The jaggery has absorbed completely. Now switch off the flame and let it cool completely. Here I have taken leftover dosa batter. To the leftover dosa batter, add a pinch of salt and mix it well. If you want to use fresh batter, for half cup of urad dal, take 1 cup of rice, soak it for 4 hours and grind it. You can see the mixture has cooled complete. Take little amount of mixture into hands and make it into balls. Likewise, make balls with remaining mixture and keep it aside. Now dip the balls into the batter and drop it into the hot oil. Batter should be thick consistency. The oil should be medium heat. Deep fry it in medium flame. Deep fry it evenly both sides till it turns golden brown. Now the yummy, delicious, traditional Boorelu is ready. Crispy outside and soft inside. Try out this recipe, friends. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe Nandu's cookbook for more videos.